blue.
Yes.
And purple.
And pink.
And pink.
Yes.
And orange.
Yay!
Towels. Red towel, where are you?
No, let's
Here
do-
I am, here I am. How do you do? Green towel, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Yellow towel, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? It's a yellow. Blue towel, where are you? Here I am. It's still a blue. Pink towel, where are you? Here I am. It's a pink. It's you only towel, where are you? Here I am. It's waiting now.
Let's
Help. Oh.
Yay!
Ah.
What color is this?
It's a yellow hedge. Yellow, red. Come on.
A yellow duck.
Yeah.
Do you want to eat it? Is it yummy?
A red watermelon. Now Mekail is going to paint this spider blue.
You did it! It's a blue.
Now Mekail is going to paint this caterpillar green. A green caterpillar. This is a green caterpillar. Mekail is going to paint a pink star. This is a pink star.
Wow.
It's a
Pink slime.
Mekail is going to paint this orange with orange color.
It's a orange.
Orange.
Mekail is painting this carrot with red color. This is a red carrot. It's a orange. It's a yellow duck. It's a red watermelon, a pink star, a blue spider, an orange, a yellow duck, a red carrot,